Original. The bad man mash up the place. And a bad man mash up the place. Original. The bad man mash up the place. And a bad man mash up the place.
She said no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the hair I'll be using today's video was sent to me by Wodun hair on Amazon. So they sent me 6 packs of their crochet boss braid with curly end in 18 inches. This is in color 1B, you guys. Like, can you see that colors? That colors are so beautiful and poppy. So I'm taking this black castor miracle oil to moisturize my scalp before taking down my twists. After that, I'm going to take this my black Jamaica castor oil to moisturize my hair, and after which I'm going to take my white tooth comb to detangle my hair. So after taking down my twist, this is how my hair currently look like. Like, it's been 1 year of transitioning, you guys, and I'm so proud. So I'm going to start off by parting my hair at the back, and I'm using the olive oil edge control. You all know this is my favorite to smooth my parting areas while I do part my hair. Like, I'm going to do individual braid around my head, and at the front I'm going to be doing the illusion braid method, you guys. So just watch me as I do this. All right, so if you're new to my channel, you guys, feel free to subscribe, feel free to join the family, hit on that red subscribe button and turn on all post notification. That way you're gonna be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right. So you guys wondering what is going on here? I only did the illusion braid method in the areas where I know that whenever I style my hair, I'm going to, part my hair in that areas. The rest of them are just kind of me connecting the individual braids to cornrows. So you guys, when I install my boss braid, you're gonna understand what I'm trying to do here. Just stay tuned as you watch. All right. So now that I'm done with the front of my head, this is how it's currently looking like. So you guys, like I said before, the hair I'm going to be using in today's video was sent to me by Wodun hair on Amazon. So I'm going to be leaving all the hair details down on the description. So can you take that cause how flawless it is? So beautiful, you guys. So right now I'm just going to take my black castor miracle oil to oil my scalp before installing my hair. So as you can see, the loop of this hair is very big. So you want to make sure you open up the loop very well and take a crochet braid through your natural hair and just crochet the hair through. That is all I'm going to be doing to this entire hair. Just watch me as I do this. And if you've watched me to this point and you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe and join the family. Like and share this video if you love or enjoy what you watch. Alright. So one thing I love about this hair is that it's not that heavy. It is not that heavy, you guys. Like, it is just like a normal boss braid, and this one looks so real. You can hardly tell it is not individual boss braid. Like, I've worked with some crochet boss braid before. I find out that a lot of them do slip, but this one, there is nothing like that. Like, it doesn't slip, it just stay as you crocheted it. Like, where you just put the hair to stay, that is where it's gonna stay. And I so much love that. So I'm just going to crochet the hair all through, and I'm still gonna be showing you the few ways I love to style my boss braid and all of that. So just keep on watching. So now you can see why I have those illusion braids right there. Like, sometimes I don't love to style my boss braid like side part and center part. So that is why those illusion braids are right there. Alright. So here is the end of 5 part. So I ended up using 5.5 packs of hair, you guys. That's because I love my hair to be really full. So you can decide to use 4.5 packs for a full head. Like, it is so full. Each pack of hair contains 24 strands. That is amazing, right? So right here, I'm just crocheting my hair. I'm done crocheting my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and lay my edges using my favorite edge control. So after laying my edges, I'm going to show you some easy ways you can actually style your crochet boss braid. Alright, and that will be all for today's video. You guys, if you enjoy watching this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment on what you think about this hair, share with friends, and just do all those good stuff to this hair. All the details you need to know about this hair is down on the description. Can you see how natural this look? You can hardly tell it's a crochet, you guys. Follow me also on Instagram. I'll be leaving my handle on the screen and as well on the description. And that will be all. I'm just taking this my olive oil hairspray to spray my hair and give it a little shine. So yeah, that will be all for today's video. Bye for now, and I love you guys so much. Bye.
No. Original. The bad man, mash up the place. And the bad man, mash up the place. Original. The bad man, mash up the place. And the bad man, mash up the place.
She said no.
The bad man, mash up the place. And the bad man, mash up the place.
She said
The bad man, mash up the place. And the bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. And the bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
No, 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 no.
To the beat of the bad man, mash up the place, and a bad man, mash up the place.
You say yeah,
a bad man, mash up the place, and a bad man, mash up the place. To the beat of the bad man, mash up the place, and a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping